All right, number 2. Sometimes you're not going to have a graph to go by, all right? So they're just going to drop 2 points on you. I'm going to call this point number 1 and point number 2. And when they do so, that's going to be real simple, all right? The first thing I want you to do is write down your formula, all right, every time. We're going to go with x sub 2 minus x sub 1, quantity squared, plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1, quantity squared. Next thing you could do, if you wish, is label your points. All right, since this is the first point, this P1, you would label that with a x sub 1 and a y sub 1. And since P2 is your second point, we go x sub 2, y sub 2. All right, then it's a matter of just filling in the blanks here. So this distance is going to be 11 minus -5, quantity squared, plus 9 minus -3, quantity squared. All right, and 11 minus -5, that's going to be 16. So again, we have 16 squared, that reoccurred. 9 minus -3 is 12. And that gives us 256 plus 144, which is the square root of 400. And the square root of 400 is actually a whole number, 20. Okay, so no simplifying of the radical other than making that a whole number 20, which is simplifying it, in fact. All right, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps minimum. Okay, when doing the distance formula, I will be looking for 5 steps minimum in your homework. All right, let's move on to midpoint.